Good morning, Miss Hill, coming back at you with another quick video. This one is about your day 2 informational writing. This is the day that we are working on getting that introduction completely finished. So remember, we're doing a 4-paragraph write here, 1 paragraph for the introduction, then our similarities, differences, conclusion. So for the introduction, if you missed that day and you're needing to make that up, you're going to scroll down here to the missing work button, click on that, and then here at the bottom of the reading assignments is info writing day 2, introduction. That's where you want to go. Click on that. And again, we have this very handy table here at the top of the assignment. What you'll need to do is open your 2 countries that you're looking at. And I want you to think back to your graphic organizer, because the countries on your graphic organizer need to match the countries that you keep working with today. Once we pick, we've picked. So go ahead and open. Like I said in the other video, I think I would do Australia and Finland. So I'm going to go ahead and open those. So I have them open in a new tab because I'm probably going to need those texts. And then down here, we use the link to open the Kami. And that's going to walk us through the entire introduction process. And the deal with an introduction is that it should not give you all the information. All it's doing is letting the reader know kind of a preview of what they're going to read later in the essay. Almost like a preview for a movie gives you the basic idea, but it doesn't tell you all the details, or it would spoil the movie for you. So we don't want to spoil it. We just want to give those general details. So the first thing you need is a good hook. This is the way you're going to grab that reader. And my example, because remember, I'm doing USA and Brazil for my example essay for you all. And I found out that the Christmas carol, Silent Night, is a popular Christmas song in both America and Brazil. So I made that question, did you know that Silent Night is a popular Christmas song in both America and Brazil? That's my hook. And so you're going to use each of these boxes to go ahead and record your sentences. So think about the countries you're doing. What could be a good hook? Give me a fact about one or both of the countries, or just a fact about Christmas or the holidays. That would make a great hook. Next, we need a good topic sentence. And that's just what it sounds like. You are just introducing the topic. So the main thing you're writing about is the holidays, but we're also thinking about 2 different countries. So I should see the name of each of your countries and either the word holidays or Christmas somewhere in your topic sentence. For example, mine is the United States and Brazil both have many different and similar holiday traditions. Here's a little tip. You can steal mine and just replace the countries with your countries and maybe change a couple words around, because remember, that's paraphrasing. That's putting it in your own words, and that's okay. So let my examples kind of help you write your sentences. So your topic sentence will go in here. This first page has 2 sentences, your hook and your topic sentence. Then we move down to the introduction. We move down through the introduction to our next sentences. These are our supporting sentences that support the topic sentence. So again, we don't want to get into our details. We don't want to talk about how they use kangaroos on the sleigh in Australia yet, because that's too detailed. We just want 1 sentence about the decorations and 1 sentence about the traditions. So mine says both Americans and Brazilians love decorating for Christmas, but they do it in different ways. Also, while both countries have very different traditions, they have many in common as well. So with my sentences, not only do I talk about decorating and traditions in 1 sentence and then the other sentence, but I also mention differences and things that they do alike. So again, use these sentences. Just replace my countries with your countries. Down here for the last sentence of the introduction, we're still in the introduction, just that very first paragraph, but it's the bridge sentence. And what that means is you needed a bridge from the introduction into your similarities paragraph. That's the one we're writing next. So your bridge should have something about the similarities between the two countries, but in a general big way. So mine says, you might be surprised how many holiday customs both America and Brazil have in common. So you're going to write your bridge sentence here. Once you have all your sentences in the boxes, 5 sentences, you move down here and you follow these directions. You're going to open a new tab and go to Google, which comes up right there for me. And then I'm going to go to my waffle and go to Docs, because you got to open a Google Doc. That's what you got to put your writing on. You're going to go to this blank one, and this is where you're going to write your essay. So up here, you can put your country names, Brazil and America, Rachel Hill. Or if you want to put holiday, compare, and contrast, that's good too. Whatever you want to make that title is fine, as long as I can tell, it's your holiday writing. So the first thing I need to do is push this tab key. That's what makes my writing go over and indent it. And I'll need to keep going back and forth. So let's pretend I had put my example sentences actually down here in the boxes. I can go back up to my first one, highlight it, click with 2 fingers, and that gives me a copy option. Then I can go back over to my Google Doc, click 2 fingers, click paste, and it puts my sentence there. But it may need a little bit of formatting, like I had to pull that part of the sentence up. So then I go back to my writing. Next I need my topic sentence. So I'm going to highlight that, 2-finger click, copy, go over here, go right after that first sentence, push the space bar, give me 1 space, click with 2 fingers and paste. And again, I have to pull that sentence up so that it's all together. So do you notice I'm just putting 1 space between each sentence because it has to look like a paragraph by the time I'm done. So I go back and I get my 2 detail sentences, copy and paste. Got to pull that part of the sentence up, go back, copy, go down here, give me my little space and paste. Go over here, give me 1 more space, and I need 1 more sentence, my bridge sentence, right? So I copy that and come over and paste again. And this looks like it's a little big for what I want, so I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to go up here to the font size and make it more like 14. That seems better. So you can see with my indentation that I have a good paragraph here, 5 full sentences. This is just my introduction. We're going to put the title up here later and your name. We're going to add pictures on the last day. So I don't want to see pictures yet. So for now, this is what it should look like. After day 2, you'll have after day 3, when we do the similarities paragraph, you'll have another full paragraph here. Eventually, you'll have 4 beautiful paragraphs, and you'll be done with your writing. But hopefully yours looks like mine by the time you finish. Last step, you got to go over here and share it with me. So you'll push this blue share button and you'll put in my name, RACHEL.HILL. You need that little @ symbol, KNOX, Knox, SCHOOLS, schools.org. So there's my picture that pops up with it. As soon as you see that picture, you can click on the name and then click done, and it will share it with me. Awesome. I hope this video has been helpful. I can't wait to see your writing. Thanks.